Queensland has confirmed the 2025-26 state nomination places for the Subclass 190 and the 491 visas. There are major opportunities, especially for skilled workers, construction professionals, international graduates, and more. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Big news for anyone planning to live, work, or build a future in Queensland. The 2025-26 Queensland State Nomination Program for the Subclass 190 and the 491 visas has officially been released, and there are major opportunities, especially for skilled workers, construction professionals, international graduates, and regional business owners. In this video, we're breaking everything down in the simplest way possible so you can understand what's new, what's required, and whether you may be eligible. First, let's quickly recap the two visa subclasses involved. Subclass 190 Skilled Nominated Visa requires nomination by a state or territory, in this case Queensland Migration, grants permanent residency, and you are expected to live and work in Queensland for at least 2 years. Subclass 491 Skilled Work Regional Visa also requires state nomination. You must live and work in regional Queensland, leads to permanent residency later through the Subclass 191 pathway. So, whether you're chasing permanent residency now or building a pathway towards it, Queensland has opened up more opportunities for the new program year. Queensland Migration has confirmed the final state allocations. Subclass 190 visa, 1,850 nomination places. Subclass 491 visa, 750 nomination places. To put this in perspective, Queensland had only 1,200 nomination places last year. That means the new year has more than double the spots, creating significantly more chances for skilled migrants. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more migration updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new release. Queensland has released a new occupation list for this program year, and it's prioritizing building and construction occupations. If you're a tradie, engineer, surveyor, project manager, or work anywhere in the construction workforce, this could be one of your best chances to secure nomination. There are five main streams you can apply under for both the 190 and the 491 visas. The streams are skilled workers living in Queensland onshore, skilled workers living outside Australia offshore, building and construction workers, Queensland University graduates, small business owners in regional Queensland for the 491 only. Now let's look at the skilled workers living in Queensland stream. You must have an occupation on Queensland's onshore skills list, minimum 65 points, competent English, must already be living and working in Queensland. 6 months for the 491, must be regional, 9 months for the 190. Must work at least 20 hours per week in a role matching the first three digits of the ANSCO occupation. Casual and combined roles accepted. Work from home allowed if employer is located in Queensland. Must be employed at the registration of interest, invitation and nomination stages. This stream is ideal for people already living and working in Queensland who want to transition to PR through state nomination. Now let's look at the skilled workers living outside Australia stream. Your occupation must be on the offshore skills list, minimum 65 points, competent English, at least 1 year skilled work experience in your occupation or a related occupation, must be working in that occupation at the time of invitation, must commit to 2 years living in Queensland for the 190, 3 years living in regional Queensland for the 491. This stream is perfect for qualified workers overseas who want to migrate directly into the Queensland workforce. Now let's look at the building and construction workers pathway. This is one of the biggest highlights of this update. The nominated occupation must be marked under the building and construction workforce pathway. Minimum 65 points, competent English, must have been living or working in Queensland for 3 months. Must have at least 20 hours per week in a relevant role. Casual and combined roles accepted. Must still be employed at all stages. With massive infrastructure projects underway, this is a golden opportunity for tradies and construction professionals. Now let's look at the Queensland University graduate stream. You must have an occupation on the onshore skills list, at least 65 points, competent English, must have completed 100% of your degree in Queensland. Graduation date must be after 1 July 2021. Must be living and working in Queensland. 6 months for the 491, 9 months for the 190. Must have work experience in any skill level 1 occupation, 20 hours per week, casual and combined roles accepted. Great news, your degree does not have to be related to your nominated occupation, giving many graduates more flexibility. Now let's look at the small business owners in regional Queensland. This stream targets entrepreneurs who want to build a life or business in regional Queensland. Your occupation must be listed in the legislative instrument, be under 45 years, competent English, minimum 65 points, must live in a 491 regional code, must own 100% of the business. Businesses must be operating in regional Queensland, must continue operating for 3 years after the 491 visa grant. Pathway 1, Business Purchase. Buy an existing business for at least Australian dollars 100,000. Employ one Australian resident at 20 hours per week or two residents at 10 hours per week. Business must have operated for 2 years before purchase. Must operate the business for 6 months before registration of interest. Must apply within 18 months of settlement. Pathway 2, Startup Business. Must start the business by 19 September 2025, operate profitably for 2 years, Australian dollars 200,000 turnover in the 12 months before registration of interest, must be in a 491 regional postcode. This is one of the most attractive pathways for people wanting to combine business ownership and migration. Here's the general nomination process you'll follow for any stream, starting with skills assessment, followed by expression of interest and skill select, followed by the registration of interest with Migration Queensland, and finally, invitation and nomination. Remember, meeting requirements doesn't guarantee an invitation. Selection depends on your occupation, competition, evidence quality, and program priorities. Finally, let's look at some of the tips to improve your chances for success. Check stream opening and closing dates regularly. Keep documents updated and ready. Ensure information matches your EOI, ROI, and visa application. Demonstrate genuine commitment to Queensland. Be consistent, honest, and prepared with strong evidence. Queensland offers incredible opportunities from booming construction and regional business owners to vibrant communities and a great lifestyle. Success in the 2025-26 program will come down to preparation, strategy, and timing. Make sure your documents are ready, present a strong ROI, and your occupation matches Queensland's needs. If you want help assessing your eligibility or preparing your EOI, our team is here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.